Hi everyone and welcome to the Begrepen channel. I've got some good news for you, but also some bad news. The bad news is that this is already the last video about the irregular verbs. The good news, however, is that by finishing this video series, you now know all the irregular verbs you can use in English. So good work, well done, keep on practicing, keep on getting smarter. Stay tuned. A quick recap on why we do this video series. The most used verbs in any language are almost always irregular verbs, which means these verbs do not follow the normal rules. In this playlist, you will read those irregulars and hear those irregulars, so you can practice the writing and the pronouncing. Good luck! Think, thought, thought, throw, threw, thrown, understand, understood, understood, wake, woke, woken, wear, wore, worn, weep, wept, wept, will, would, win, won, won, wind, wound, wound, and write, wrote, written. Going over this last bunch a bit quicker. Think, thought, thought, throw, threw, thrown, understand, understood, understood, wake, woke, woken, wear, wore, worn, weep, wept, wept, will and would, win, won, won, wind, wound, wound, write, wrote, written. Good job! Make sure to keep on practicing and rewatch the video if needed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other content on the channel. See you soon for a next Begrepen video.